All right, good day, guys, and welcome. Today we have a question from PCE 1995, question 17, where we've been asked to factorize completely 4RS minus 3mn minus 6ms plus 2nr. Quickly, we'll dive into this by writing solution. Write solution. Then we'll copy out our expression 4RS minus 3mn minus 6ms plus 2nr. Now, when we have something like this, straight ahead we move to collect like terms. Therefore, we all write equal to, write out of 4RS, and its like term in this case is plus 2nr. This is followed by minus 3mn, lastly minus 6ms. Now from 4RS and plus 2nr, we factor out 2r, open a bracket, and we're left with 2s plus n, bracket close. From minus 3mn minus 6ms, we factor out minus 3m. We open our bracket, and we're left with n plus 2s, bracket close. And lastly, this leads us to bracket open, 2s plus n, bracket close, bracket open, 2r minus 3m, bracket close. Now this gives us our final answer as bracket open, 2s plus n, bracket close, bracket open, 2r minus 3m, bracket close. Thank you.